On Friendship by Khalil Gibran. So I want to highlight some of the main points of the poem, that is On Friendship. So in this poem, the poet Khalil Gibran, he tells us about the importance of friends in our life, that friends are really very important for us. Without friends, it's very difficult to sustain. Friends always support us in our difficult times. Whenever the times do not favor us, we seek the help of our friends. And those who are our true friends, they always support us, they stand by our side. They give us the strength to tackle the situation, the difficulties, with a smile on our face. So the poet says that friends are like God's gift. God has given us the gift of true friendship. There are many types of friends we have in our life, but true friends are very rare. A true friend is someone who is not mean, who never asks you for money, or who never puts you in a difficult situation. A true friend is rather someone who takes you out of the difficult situation. You can feel from your heart, from the inside of your heart, the love for a true friend. So poet very well explained that what do friends stand for in our life. They are like the board that has a great strength. Like if you see a wooden board that has a great strength, you can stand on that wooden board, it does not break. Similarly, a good friend is like that wooden board. No matter how much pressure you put on that friend, he never bends or breaks. In fact, he supports you always. So, students, this poem asks us to choose our friends with care, and those friends who are worthy of our friendship should be relied upon. So it's a gift from God's side. It strengthens the bond. A friend is not just a friend, he is like a family member. We share our pleasures, our joys, and our pains and sorrows as well. There are no inhibitions, there is no shame. We never think that what my friend will think of me if I discuss this thing with him or that thing with him. A true friend never lets you down. So, friendship is a treasure. A friend is just like an ornament in our life. A friend is a jewel for us. So we have to value our good friends, and we have to support our friends. We have to be true with our friends, those who do everything for us. This is what the message we get through this poem. This is really very wonderful poem, and we would like to thank this poet Khalil Gibran for giving us such a wonderful poem which enables us to understand the bond of friendship. So I am very hopeful that you have also got the message that the poet wants to give through this poem.